Hey guys, Lady Liberty Stacker here. It is Monday, March 25th, 2019, and I'm sitting in front of the Savers. I just got out of Savers, and I have some footage from inside the store, just sorting through all the things. I did a video yesterday, but I did not know how to use the time-lapse feature on the driving, and it's just way too long. And I wanted to try it again today, so I didn't upload that video yesterday, but basically I was trying to return 3 pairs of jeans, and the jeans, 2 of them had poor comps, poor sales figures, and the other one had some damage that I did not, some of it I saw in the store and I didn't know if it was damage or not, and the other I didn't, so I returned them today. You can return them within a week. I purchased them last Monday, so I brought them back today. And what they do is they issue you a store credit, which they apply against whatever you buy that day. So you can't, I'm going to go ahead and put the camera elsewhere. I have some people walking by and they're kind of looking. But at any rate, you can tell that this parking lot is totally mobbed. I went to the post office this morning to drop off about 10 packages from over the weekend, to actually 12. And it was a really crazy weekend for sales, which is good. But I figured I got up early and I wanted to get here when they opened at 9 o'clock, because when I was here yesterday, I saw 2 pairs of Miss Me jeans, which are high-end. One of the pairs of jeans I was returning was Miss Me, but they had some damage on them, and for $14.49, I got half off last Monday. It wasn't worth the price. So today, they had them priced here slightly higher at $15.49. So I saw 2 pairs yesterday that were really outstanding, and I thought, oh, I'm not going to spend top dollar today for those. And so I just thought I would chance it and come back today. So they were, I think, like a size 13, 14 or somewhere in there, and I moved them over to the 5.6s. I was hoping that nobody would see them. Not hiding them exactly, but I just kind of moved them a little bit so nobody would see them. So when I got here this morning, that's the first place I went. I made a beeline for the jeans, and yep, they were still there by the grace of God. So I got those and several other things that are interesting for reselling, and I will share them with you when I get home. But I'm going to go ahead and drive part of the way home so you guys can see the time-lapse feature on this. And more when I get home. I want to show you how crazy their pricing is. Here's a pair of Levi's. Not too bad. But $16.99, that's like $8-9 at half price. Same here with this pair. That's crazy. I mean, their prices are inching up. Let me show you. And here is a pair of Guess jeans, men's Guess jeans. It's $11.99. These will sell better than the Levi's. And then the Miss Me jeans were here from yesterday, and they're $15.49, and they're higher end. So just kind of food for thought. Okay guys, I am back home, and this is the haul that I got today, so I will go ahead and go over these items so you can see. This one here is a t-shirt. I paid $3 for it. It's half off sale day. This is American League Champions Indians. Well, I'm an Indians fan. This is a extra large, but again, I don't know if it's shrunk. It may fit one of us. It may be too big for me. I don't know. It may be actually be too big for my hubby too, but we like it, and I got that, and it should be able to sell for something. Maybe, maybe no. If not, we can keep it. So that was just kind of on the fly. Next up is a used or pre-owned Bob Hope Chrysler Classic. Looks like this was from a golf tournament, and it's got his caricature on the back embroidered. And I saw this yesterday. It's way too much to spend $4 for, but I got it half off today, $2 and plus tax. And this looks like a vintage hat made in Bangladesh, 100% cotton, and this I may be able to get about $20 plus shipping for that. That is nice. I've been selling hats, so I need to fill up my vacancy there. This is another nice one. This actually looks like it came from the UK. It's £20 price tag. 20 pounds is about probably $30. Well, I don't know what it is, $30 US. This is a 2001 Ryder Cup. And it's brand new with tags. And again, I paid $2 for that. So it's got nice embroidery on it. Somebody probably went there. And it's got a nice strap back with a nice enclosure. So that's brand new. And I might be able to get a little bit more than 20 for that. I mean, I'll put it up for $24.99 or best offer. Maybe more after I kind of research the comps. But for $2, can't go wrong. Next up is a Western shirt. It's a Wrangler flannel. And for $3.50, it was a decent buy. It's pearl snaps. Anytime you got Western wear with pearl snaps. And this is kind of like a color block pattern. It's burgundy, black, purple. There's a little bit of a mark on there. I can get it out. But this shirt is in super good condition. It's got 3 snaps there on the cuff. So I should be able to get about 20 to 25 for that. So we'll go ahead and put that to the side. Next is a J. Crew Slim Extra Large Men's Long Sleeve Shirt. J. Crew does very well. People like that brand. You have a lot of people that follow it. And this is very nice. It's seersucker cotton, black and gray stripes. And I don't know if there's any extra buttons at the bottom. I always look for those. It doesn't appear to be. Some of the higher brands don't have, and I think they should. But anyway, I should be able to get about $20 or so for that. And I paid $4 plus tax. And then I have some jeans here, Abercrombie & Fitch. This is a dark wash. Looks like a straight leg, 30 by 30 on these. Let me see here. You can see the leg. Actually, I think it's a boot cut. It flares out a little bit. It's a dark wash. Dark wash right now is really in. And it's got the heavy stitching on the pocket. And the thing I liked about it, it's got the nice feathering here. And it's a button fly, if you can see that. So yeah, that and the price was even better, $4.25 plus tax for a pair of Abercrombies. They do sell. I just sold a pair, got a good feedback on that. And here's another pair, a slightly better shape, a little bit of distressing going on, factory distressing. It is symmetrical throughout. Again, this is another button fly pair. There they are there, if you can see. It's hard to see. But, yeah, so I got another pair of those. And those are clean. And here, I showed you this in the store, a pair of Guess jeans out of Los Angeles. They always sell really well. They've got bling on them. You got the little Guess there. You got the zipper. The zipper is stamped Guess. And you've got their logo patchwork on there. Almost looks like Harley Davidson. And then you've got the rivets. They're all stamped. And Guess here, and they only had $11.99 on them. So for these, and I actually paid $6 plus tax. And they got the feathering, distressing and it's a dark wash. And I believe they are straight leg, or they might be boot cut. I don't know, but they do. This type of jean does really well. Next up is a pair of Urban Pipeline Urban Up premium jeans. That's what it looks like. These have sold for me. They're relaxed boot cut. They are a dark wash. They have a nice kind of distressing pattern going on here. Nice heavy stitching on the pockets. The brand itself is okay. The price was right. I wasn't going to overpay. Again, this is $6, $11.99. I wasn't going to overpay. Like the Levi's were just way too high. There's just no way. These will do just as well. And sometimes, you know, the comps are all right, but the best comps are in the kind of almost like the style of jean, as long as it's recognizable. But this is a creme de la creme. These are the two pairs that I found yesterday, and the price is $15.49. These are higher end. They're Miss Me jeans. I've never found them before. I took a pair back today that it was missing a rivet. This rivet was gone on that pair of jeans, but these have a lot of bling to them. They're dark wash. They've got nice feathering going on. They've got a nice button here. They got a lot of stuff. I mean, these should go for $40 to $50. That's why I don't really care about paying $7.50 plus tax for the. Look at that. That is just totally cool. Totally cool. And then the front, you got the little M there. You got the little M there. Just totally cool. I'm happy I got those. And then another pair, slightly darker wash. Again, all the elements are there. And this is slightly darker wash. You got the nice feathering going on there. And it's a super flare. These are size 32. Which is about, I think, either 10/12s or 13/14. Designed in the USA, made in Vietnam. At least it's not made in China. So many things are made in China. And finally, got another Holy Bible. This was there yesterday, priced at $3.49. So I got it for $1.74 plus tax. This is an older leather. It's called a New American Bible. And it looks like it was really never used. And it's by Thomas Nelson Publishing, and they were a very popular publishing house of this type of thing. All the presentation pages are clear, and I believe this one is vintage. It goes all the way back to 1970. You look for the latest date here, 1971. And I believe it's a Catholic Bible, but actually I've been selling some of those. Yeah, there's a picture in here of Pope Paul the VI, and so it dates right back to the 70s. So this is a nice vintage, excellent condition. I should be able to get 20 to 30 for that. So that's my haul today, guys, and I would have paid a lot more, but I got a credit on the 3 pairs of jeans that I turned in, and even with that I paid $38. But what I've learned is the more you pay for stuff sometimes, the better your return, the more your profits on eBay. It's great to get things for 50 cents or $1, but sometimes, you know, you're going to only get $10 for it if you sell it, or $15 if it sells. So anyway, hope these tips have helped. The video is long enough. Leave a thumb up if you like. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and go make it a great day.